You just landed at Tokyo's Haneda airport.
After a long flight, your body is exhausted. Yet you still have to carry your heavy bags to your hotel. For a first-time visitor to Japan, it seems like there are too many confusing signs standing between you and the moment you can finally lie down in your hotel.
But don't worry, because I'm going to show you the exact formula which will help you to find your perfect airport to hotel road just in 10 minutes. I'm Lisa, your Travel Smart Japan navigator, and this is Haneda to Tokyo Explained. There are only 3 questions that matter right now.
1. How much luggage are you carrying? 2. What time did you arrive at the airport? And 3. Where in Tokyo are you staying? For most of you, landing during the day, with 2 hands free enough to pull your own suitcase, your best transit mode is a train, hands down. You should take the Keikyu line, right at the arrivals floor. It gets you to Shinagawa in about 14 minutes, putting you right on the south side of the city. You don't need to buy a paper ticket or study a massive fare chart.
This is Suica or IC card.
With this, you just tap in here, step out at your destination, and it calculates the fare for you automatically. You can see that the fare from Haneda Terminal 3 station to Shinagawa is roughly 330 yen.
So make sure you get Suica before leaving the airport.
If you are an iPhone user, download the Suica app right now. You can issue a digital Suica inside the app instantly and add it into your Apple Wallet. You don't even have to look at the ticket machine. On the other hand, if you're an Android user, you'll want to get the tourist-exclusive physical card, called the Welcome Suica. It's valid for 28 days and requires no deposit. You can grab one at the dedicated red vending machines right at the Haneda Airport Terminal 3 station. These machines accept credit cards for the initial purchase, so you don't even need to exchange cash first. Here is a cheat sheet of what Suica card you need depending on your phone type.
Here is where the Keikyu line gets incredibly convenient.
The truth is, as long as the train is heading north, basically every single train that rolls up to the platform will stop at Shinagawa. So, whether it says bound for Shinagawa, Narita Airport, or Inba Nihonidai, just hop on. If your hotel is in Asakusa, Ginza, or Nihonbashi, stay in your seat. The train automatically transitions into another line, the Toei Asakusa subway line. No transfers, so no dragging heavy bags up and down the stairs. Meanwhile, if you're heading toward Tokyo Station, or if you want to catch the bullet train to another city, get off at Shinagawa Station. Shinagawa is one of Tokyo's massive transit hubs. You can transfer to the GR Yamanote line or the Tokaido line to reach Tokyo Station in a flash. Best of all, those lines connect directly to the Tokaido Shinkansen gates. From Haneda to Shinagawa in 14 minutes. Then straight onto a bullet train to Kyoto, Osaka, or Hiroshima. It is the smoothest way to cross the country.
If that's where you're going, you are done. But keep watching if you want to know a secret hack. The 2 major exceptions to the train rule, and the 5 routes which most people take from the airport. Alright, let's talk about the secret hack, which most travelers don't know about.
On most fast trains in Japan, you'd expect an extra limited express surcharge. But on Keikyu's Limited Express or Kaitoku from Haneda, there are no extra fees. It runs on the exact same basic fare as the local train, but is much faster.
So, don't worry about being charged extra and just take the Limited Express train, and you can get to your hotel much faster. Even though it's fast, the train might not be the best option for you. here are two exceptions from this rule. First,
You've got two massive suitcases and a child who's completely done with today. You do not want a transfer.
then your best option is not the train, it's the airport limousine bus.
Staff will handle your luggage for you, and it drives you straight to the major district of the city like Shinjuku, Tokyo Station, Odaiba, and even Tokyo Disney Resort. It covers almost every major station and hotel. Fares run between 1,300 and 1,600 yen. It's not the cheapest option, but it is the safest and most comfortable.
The second exception.
You land after the trains stop running. The last ones head out around midnight. Or there are 3 or more of you in the group. Most visitors assume a Tokyo taxi is an untouchable luxury. From Haneda into central Tokyo, a taxi is roughly 6,000 to 8,000 yen, taking about 25 to 40 minutes door to door. Split that 3 ways and it's roughly 2,000 yen each. And you deal with 0 stairs, 0 transfers, and you still get into your hotel even though it's 2 in the morning.
So, you might wonder if there is another train option, and there is a fascinating alternative.
Let's say your hotel is around Akihabara or Ueno, and you still have a decent amount of energy left. In that specific case, your move is the Tokyo Monorail. It takes about 13 minutes to get into Hamamatsucho Station, where you can then transfer to the JR Yamanote or Keihin Tohoku line for Akihabara and Ueno. And here's a pro tip, transferring to those lines here involves much less walking. It is way more convenient than doing it at Shinagawa. Plus, the monorail features large, dedicated luggage spaces, meaning it rarely feels cramped even with big bags. You can sit back, rest, and enjoy stunning panoramic views of Tokyo Bay and the city skyline as you glide towards East Tokyo. It's a bit more expensive than the Keikyu line, but think of it as a small upgrade for the view and the comfort.
So, let's finish with 5 routes which people usually take from Haneda Airport, so you never have to look up these routes again.
If you're going to Ginza, take the Keikyu line and stay on straight through to Higashi Ginza. Or take the limousine bus directly to Ginza Station. Shinjuku, Keikyu line to Shinagawa, then transfer to the Yamanote line. Or if you want to be dropped off right at your hotel, take the limousine bus. Shibuya, Keikyu line to Shinagawa, then it's 3 stops on the Yamanote line. The limousine bus works great here too. Asakusa, Keikyu line straight through to the subway, 0 transfers. Tokyo Station, Keikyu line to Shinagawa. Then switch to a JR Tokaido line for 2 stops. And yes, there is a bus for this too. And here is the full recap of which transportation mode fits the situation the best. Daylight and you can carry your own bags, Keikyu line, just tap and go. Heading toward Ueno or Akihabara and want a great view? Monorail. Family with heavy suitcases? Limousine bus. Late arrival or a group of 3? Taxi. That's the whole formula, no more research needed.
Oh, and one last thing. If you're moving by train or by bus, make sure that you have installed Google Maps on your phone.
In a country where public transport is famously punctual, this app will be your absolute best friend. For more information on how to use the app and how to navigate trains in Japan, check out our video Tokyo Trains Explained.
Subscribe to Travel Smart Japan for more practical guides like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!